Hi. In this video, I will explain that with our CRM, it is possible to assign an agent as the sender of a particular autoresponder. For example, I go to the autoresponder system, and from here, I can assign to the current contact, or selected contacts, which in this case is a 100 contacts, I can assign an autoresponder. Let's say that it is this autoresponder, which would be of course an unlimited number of autoresponders. When I click the assignment icon, I can put the number of days in the future that I want, which is also very special, because it doesn't have to be fixed, or prefixed. So I'm going to put 3 in this particular case, and I can select the agent. So the default will be me, but I can assign this one to George Hamilton for example, and then click select as opposed to self. So in this case, if the autoresponder has for example at the bottom, he has the name of the person that is sending, and it is gonna be George Hamilton. And that is important. If I go here to view the steps of the autoresponder, I see, the first one, the first ID is the autoresponder, the second ID is the template, then the date to be sent, which is 3 days from today, and then finally here, the agent ID, which we see throughout all these autoresponders. If for example, right now, for whatever reason, I want to assign a different autoresponder, right? Let's say this one, and I want to assign it, let's say today, to self, and I go to the view. By the way, you can see that it's green because there is something for today. But anyway, here, I can see that this ID is a different ID than this one, because this is my agent ID, and this will be George Hamilton's ID. So essentially, I can know which autoresponders are triggered, and on which date, and who's triggering, but most importantly, the ability to assign who's the sender, and how the template may look, depending on the sender, because the sender obviously could have a different kind of a signature, and a name, phone number, email, etc. So that is that. Very easy to do, it's very intuitive, and very powerful. You cannot do that with other autoresponders. Thank you.